AI is good for businesses, but is it really good for the entrepreneurs behind the business? That's the question I've been pondering for the last couple of weeks. So last week, my client Christian, he uploaded a YouTube video. That was his first ever YouTube video, in fact. And well, that video got 1,400 views. Now, my own channel, my own videos have not seen results anywhere close to it. Another client of mine, Ken, actually got a video to hit 40,000 views after his previous 20 had basically gotten a maximum of 50 or 100 views. And so from those 40,000 views, he got more than 300 new leads. And it was all because both these videos, the one that Christian's first video and Ken's video, which got 40,000 views, both of those videos were planned in some way. The idea, the title and the thumbnail and stuff like that, it was all done by me. Whereas when I make content for myself now, I keep using AI because I feel like I can definitely manipulate AI to give me good results. And it feels like I get good results, but they never feel good enough like they do when I come up with a video title and a thumbnail and a video idea for my clients. I come up with a hook myself. When I do it myself, it definitely performs better. And I guess that's just because I have 10 years of experience, but I forget all the little small things that I need to think about that AI definitely doesn't know that it should think about. And my brain is processing hundreds of things when I'm thinking of a title, whereas AI isn't, because well, AI doesn't know those hundreds of things. And even this video by Christian that he had sent to my team to edit and make thumbnail and title for, even that video, I was in fact kind of not very sure that it's going to get any views. Like maybe 100 views is what I had expected, maybe not even that much, because he's in a niche that is extremely competitive and not very easy to break into. And so that first video getting 1,400 views is only because I personally brainstormed for 2 hours without using any AI, the good old fashioned way of, brainstorming titles and thumbnails, coming up with like 50 different titles and choosing from there and then taking one element from one into the other and all of that. And that's how I made that video get views. And so this whole experience reminded me of something that I always knew but forgot, that AI is great, automation is great, but it will never beat intuition, especially if you're somebody who has experience and skills and knowledge. And if you try to completely rely on AI, well, then your experience and knowledge doesn't matter, because I guess AI can just do, what you can do, but that shouldn't be the case, because then the problem becomes that if everybody can use AI in the same way, everybody can use the same prompts from the same YouTubers, well then everybody's output will be the same, and therefore that output will become the average. So the only way to stand out and go above average, go beyond what everybody else is capable of, is to know what it takes to get beyond, to know what it takes to do better than the average. In order to be extraordinary, you have to add that extra, otherwise it becomes ordinary. And so that intuition that I've earned, it's the result of volume of experiments, painful trial and error, videos performing, videos not performing, the stuff that you can't outsource or automate, frankly. So I'm going to do something radical. Basically, just like this video, I'm going to be doing one video a day for the next 6 months on this channel, which is raw, unfiltered, no AI, no editing, no nothing, just pure intuition experimentation, no scripts, nothing of that sort, just raw dog it basically, from planning to uploading in 30 minutes total, nothing happening. And at the same time, I have another channel where I'm gonna upload one highly edited video a week. And this one is going to be polished, it's going to be optimized, my team is going to edit it properly, the thumbnails, the titles, everything is going to be using AI, as good as it can be, like Iman Ghazi level production, or at least 90% there, let's say. So that's very crazy high, but yeah. Now I want to see which one wins. Not in views, but in terms of revenue generated for my business. Because as an entrepreneur, I care about clients, not clout. And I'll be documenting the entire experiment inside YouTuPreneurs, with weekly updates, with the real numbers of what's working and what really isn't working. And I'll show you the exact systems I use inside, by the way. How to plan, script, and publish a video in 30 minutes. How I delegate AI-driven scripts and thumbnails to save 70% of my time. And whether I can shut off AI and just trust pure instinct to make content and to just grow and scale my business, I guess, in general. Link is in the description. And whether AI or artist wins, whether the automation is better or being authentic is better, which side should you bet on for your business as well? That is all that you can get answered when you join the YouTuPreneurs, and you can avail the free one-on-one call with me on there, which is 60 minutes long, and we'll just basically brainstorm and help you figure out what is the ideal path for you to make content and to grow your business, to get the right leads from the right people without having millions of followers online, and just get to your goals of making 20K a month or more. So, waitlist or reply to this or comment down below, and that also works. You just, I'll reply to it with the link to join the waitlist. So